What's up guys, welcome to not the garage but the kitchen. Still loads of boxes everywhere from moving, so no projects coming out at the moment. Hopefully get some of them boxes away this week and this weekend, then we can get some of the projects out. Anyway, did manage to get the WPL out, the C14, the little Toyota truck. We had quite a bit of snow here last night, so took that out in the snow to see how it got on. Didn't do too bad. Considering it's a toy grade, let's not get into any arguments whether it's toy or hobby grade, but it's a toy grade. Took it out and as you'll see, it didn't do too bad. It's no good for any hills or big inclines and stuff in the snow, but as you can see, it actually pulled through that quite thick snow quite well. Anyway, you might be wondering why there's a Hot Wheels grave digger there. Well, if you want that, if you want to win that, all you got to do, comment Hot Wheels on this video and give it a thumbs up. As long as you're a subscriber, you could win it. I will pick a winner, not this weekend, but the following weekend, and I'll pin a comment with a winner on there. Then all you need to do is send me a direct message. But yeah, if you want to win that Hot Wheels grave digger, like the video and comment Hot Wheels, and I'll announce the winner, not this weekend, next weekend. Anyway, enjoy the video of the Toyota in the snow, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.